What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your nearby friends on Instagram. So let's get started. What you need to do first, you have to open up your Instagram. So after opening the Instagram account, you have to go to your profile. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after going to profile, you have to click on search and you have to put your address or your city that you lived in. You have to type it here. I'm living in Dammam, that's why I'm typing Dammam. Okay, after typing so you will find a option called search. You have to click on search, then you have to click on place. So after doing so, you can see here is the Dammam Saudi full address. After searching that, you will see a bunch of posts that are people posting on this from this city. After that, you have to click on recent. Then you will find a bunch of people that are lived in your city. There are all the people that are lived in Dammam. So if you want to follow them, you can just click on their post and you can just follow them. Otherwise, you can see their profile. So this is how you can find your nearby people or nearby friends on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.